Yeah, he left some crumbs.
Yeah.
And it says to Ayla. Look, it says to Ayla.
With this box.
I don't know. It says to Ayla from Santa, just what you wished for. And thank you for the snacks, yummy. He likes.
Bunnies.
Whoa!
My bunny. Say,
Yeah.
paradise.
Yeah, you can pet them.
They're like laurels.
From the head. You touch the head. Yeah.
They're so cute. Let's put them in my bunny house.
What's their names? You can name them because that's yours now.
Snowy.
Snowy and
Snowy.
what's the other one? Snowy and Snowy and Fluffy?
Snowflakes.
Snowy and Snowflakes? What's the other one? Mommy, do you want to name the other one?
Snowflakes lagi?
Snowy and
Oops, sorry. I mean to be too scary.
this is Snowy and
Snowy?
the other one going to be Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Well, yeah, I don't going to be Fluffy.
Okay.
Fluffies.
Dili si snowflakes. Kana si Fluffy na?
But yeah,
The shy one is Fluffy. The other one is Snowy.
Dad, let's put them in my bunny house.
Not yet. It's too cold out there yet. We can take them out once after we go to church. Before we go to church.
They are so cute.
Cute.
Yeah. So,
What do you say to Santa?
I think I close my eyes and I sleep. Then he up the pinky and jump last move and he moved one circle, please.
Yeah.
And he up the cookie and with crumbles.
Oh.
And
Yeah.
he left me some bunnies.
Yep.
And look, they pooped.
I know that's not the poop, that's their treat. Not yet.
That's the food. That's their water. That's,
Water, yeah.
yeah, they'll get the drink.
That's where they drink, that's right.
That's all the carrots they need.
No, they don't have carrots yet. You have to buy and get the carrots later, maybe.
They're so cute. This is for us. This is what you dreamed.
Just what you wished for. What you dreamed.
Na, pangalot unya. Hikapod.
I got all between ears. Fluffy ears.
You still have some presents, oh, napa dito.
Ako lang po dito. Ako lang po.
They are long.
Okay, open. Open dito na.
Uy, what is that?
It's a book
Ah,
for drawing pencils.
for tag man na lang da.
Yeah, tag. My favorite part.
Very nice.
She lost her shape. Yeah, open some more.
Yeah, I like it.
Ito na.
A rocket ship one.
Wow! Show to Daddy.
Yeah, I got
Very
it.
nice solar system rocket ship.
Yeah.
Little Einsteins.
No, it's about rocket. It's about Bowie's rocket ship mission.
Okay, open some more.
The Connell give me Ayla presents.
And a big one.
Oh!
What a big. There's circles.
Ooh!
Markers for my playhouse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make sure you put the cover back after you use it, huh?
Okay.
And the big one.
What's in here? It's a lollipop. I could tell it after I open it. It's
Nag-look na mo Wow!
Show me, show.
La,
Show
la,
you.
la, Lucy.
la 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 la.
Mas hadlok ka na isa.
I scared the bunny and she drinks her.
You scared the
You
bunny,
scared.
yeah.
Let's bring the bunny a little bit here so that you've got room. Okay. Wow! Very big, la 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 loopsy.
Oh.
That's the cover.
And there's another one.
Very nice, langga.
Another one.
The Ghana versus Ayla.
This was so heavy.
Uy.
What could it be?
So heavy. I can keep it.
Masarap na doon.
Yeah, wala na.
Ooh, that was close. What's this? Some more markers.
Wow! Ghana sa markers na Ayla on. Wow!
That's a lot of
Make
markers.
sure you don't lose them, huh?
Okay.
Wow! Merry Christmas, Ayla!
My mommy.
Merry Christmas, Ayla. Go hug mommy.
I love you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Aw, this rabbits are cute. This is what I wished for.
That's really what you wished for?
Yeah.
And Santa gave it to you? Because you were such a good girl.
Now I feel much better. When I sleep, I feel much better.
You feel much better? So, kinsa to ilang names? Kinsa ilang names?
Snowy and fluffy.
Snowy and Fluffy.
Yeah, I'm moving their ears so I can put them.
Don't they call their ears, Susa?
Look, her face is hung to her face.
They're still a little scared lang ga.
They're nervous.
Because it's a new home for them.
They can be cold outside. So they build a house for them. What's this for?
Just
For
take
them
your
to see
picture
the
with
light.
bunnies.